moon is not quite full, but almost. So normally what would happen with the Geminids, it's one of the biggest meteor showers of the year. You can get 100 plus per hour when it's nice and clear and the moon is not shining bright. But because the moon is going to be so bright, even if you have clear sky, the light from the moon is going to wash some of this out. So rather than 100 per hour, you might get 15 or 20 that are good visible meteors. It actually peaks even by noon today, before the sun was down. But during the night tonight, if you're able to get out into some clear sky, you might see a few of these. Northern Ohio has clear sky right now, but we're going to see some clouds come and go during the night tonight. Again, the moon is so bright. It's not quite full, but it is bright enough that it may wash out some of those meteors. 29 degrees right now at John Glenn Columbus International Airport. Feels like 22. Wind out of the northeast at 7 miles per hour right now. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Zanesville and McConnellsville at 30. Athens at 33. Marysville and Delaware at 25. But feeling like 19. Marion feels like 15 right now, and Lancaster at 21. So you see how the clouds begin to roll back in? That's the other issue that we're going to have trying to see the meteors tonight, is you may have to get away from some of those clouds. But during the overnight, some of this may clear up a little bit. A little bit of high pressure, just briefly, moving through the area. So by 3 in the morning, if you want to get up and get out there in the cold and go see them, you might see a few by then, but you also have to contend with that moon out there. In the meantime, the wind chills dropping into the single digits again tomorrow morning for Marion and Bucyrus. Kenton down to 9 degrees with that wind chill. Feels like 13 tomorrow morning in Lancaster. So still bundling up for the early part of the day. It'll be partly cloudy. Wind chills in the teens or colder, 23 for the eventual low. During the day tomorrow, we become mostly cloudy, but we are dry during the daytime hours on Saturday. The rain that's on the way in doesn't get here until late. So you're looking at 11 o'clock, midnight, by the time it gets into Columbus. It'll get to Cincinnati and Dayton earlier than that, and then it'll make its way across the state during the overnight hours, and we'll still have some scattered showers to deal with on Sunday. So plan on and off showers for at least a little more than half of your weekend. During the day on Saturday, dry for the daylight hours. By the afternoon, you're into the mid-40s. Then clouding up, the rain moves in Saturday night. On and off showers during the day on Sunday. Temperatures just a little bit warmer, getting up into the upper 40s at times. You might even find a few places slightly warmer than that. So tomorrow, 44 degrees. Mostly cloudy with the rain showing up late and overnight. Wet on Sunday with a high near 47.